Naka-video kayo. Naka-video. Hey man, kamusta bagong kasal man?
Ito, mabuti naman.
What?
We're fine.
Oh, that's good, that's good. How about your wife? What can you say about your wedding, ma'am?
Dito maluwag dito.
First of all, we would like to greet you, congratulations. Dalawa na agad anak nyo ah.
Yeah, kanina tatlo. It's two.
Nawawala. Si Usteng.
Ayun po na. Dino!
Ayun na oh, nauna na, tumakbo. Men, para ka lang ano ah, papasok na eskwela.
First of all, thank to
What?
my family for supporting my wedding ceremony, and for my wife.
Nice shot. Okay. Other position. Oh, very nice position. Low bat. What? Oh, kala ko dito lang kayo. Si Aling Johnny pala to eh. Hi Aling Johnny. Wow! Pretty boy.
And we are now arriving to
Our what?
yung
Hey man, your nose is bleeding. What?
We are arriving now.
At the reception?
Yes.
Lakno residence?
Yes.
Oh,
To my
okay.
grandmother house and my auntie Inday.
Look. It's your brother.
That's my brother.
Elder brother.
Yes.
What? Tingnan mo yun, dalawa na agad yung anak ko.
Kanina nga tatlo eh.
Finally, we're here at the reception. Oh, sir, ma'am, sir. Nandito nga po pala si Mang Basilio. Ayan. Ayan si Mang Basilio.
Alis ka dyan, may papasok siya na. Oh. Alis muna kayo dyan.
Merry Christmas po, Ninong. Ano po, Ninang? Sister. Ay, nandito pala.
Tawa ka kay Israel.